Today, we will discuss a topic that everyone encounters in their lives, sometimes challenging to overcome: patience, step-by-step progress, and stepping out of the comfort zone. Let's start with the subject of patience and step-by-step progress. We may be filled with the desire to achieve goals in life, whether it's learning a language, acquiring a specific skill, or transitioning to a healthy lifestyle. However, many of us often experience a common situation: the desire for everything to happen right now. In the initial moments, we feel filled with determination and energy, don't we? Perhaps this enthusiasm sometimes hinders us from the journey to reaching our goals. This is where understanding the value of patience and gradual progress becomes crucial. It might be important to ask ourselves these questions: why do we constantly want things to happen immediately? What does this impatience truly gain for us? The real key to progress might be that it doesn't happen suddenly as we expect, but rather unfolds gradually. In this conversation, we will explore why being patient and making progress step by step is a powerful strategy. We will discuss ways to cope with our internal impatience accelerator and contemplate how time, in the journey to achieving goals, can be discovered as an ally. If you're ready, let's begin exploring the importance of patience and step-by-step progress in this conversation. Perhaps this discussion can inspire your next steps. After a beautiful day, we gather with the thought of reaching a turning point in our lives. Maybe we want to learn a language, gain a specific skill, or transition to a healthy lifestyle. However, many of us frequently encounter a common situation: the need for everything to happen right now. Now, we start thinking about what the desire for immediate results might cost us. Research indicates that being patient and making progress step by step can trigger long-term success. A study by Harvard psychology professor Dr. Angela Duckworth revealed that the concepts of perseverance and passion can be more determinative in reaching goals than abilities. In other words, patience and determination might be more effective than intelligence and talent. In this case, it's possible to say that making progress step by step could be the key to sustainable development. Let's continue with a quote: "Great oaks from little acorns grow." This phrase emphasizes that being patient and consistently making efforts lays the foundation for achieving great successes over time. The excitement of quickly reaching goals might overshadow our determination to be patient. At this point, we can consider focusing on the inner peace brought by making progress step by step, freeing ourselves from the pressure of achieving everything right now. So, why are we so intertwined with the desire for immediate results? Perhaps there are several reasons underlying these thoughts. Wanting instant results might be associated with the pace of modern life and the expectation of instant gratification. However, these rapid demands can sometimes hinder real success and satisfying progress. Let's say we decide to learn a language. Expecting to be perfectly fluent in the first few weeks can hinder us from enjoying the learning process. In this case, understanding why we need to cope with the pressure of wanting everything to happen right now becomes crucial. The desire for immediate results can also be fueled by the social pressure and competitive environment around us. Success stories shared on social media can reinforce the perception that reaching the summit instantly is normal. However, let's not forget that everyone has a story and a process behind their achievements. Dealing with these thoughts and the gains from making progress step by step can be invaluable. Moving forward with patience can strengthen our passion and determination for our goals. As we make progress, we start to better understand our own potential and evaluate what we've learned in this process. Being patient can also help us approach challenges in life more effectively. Difficulties are inevitable in the journey to achieving any goal. However, when we continue to take steps with patience, our problem-solving and development skills improve. Now, let's set aside the topic of patience and focus on stepping out of the comfort zone and taking risks in the journey to achieving goals. Moving a step forward in life, pushing our limits, and being open to new experiences play a critical role on the path to success. When we start contemplating the importance of stepping out of the comfort zone, we might need to ask ourselves this question: why do we tend to stay in our comfort zone? The fear of encountering the unknown and the desire to stay in the comfort zone often hold us back. However, we must remember that real growth and success occur outside the comfort zone. Taking risks, facing our fears, and dealing with uncertainty often open the doors to significant rewards. Research indicates that stepping out of the comfort zone encourages learning and development. This implies that pushing our limits beyond a certain point, acquiring new skills, and being open to change can guide us toward becoming a better version of ourselves. Perhaps a challenge or the need for change that you are currently facing is encouraging you to step out of your comfort zone. However, it's important not to forget that patience and making progress step by step still matter. Understanding the time needed to make progress in the process of change can be helpful when learning something new or changing habits. In conclusion, patience, step-by-step progress, stepping out of the comfort zone, and taking risks are interconnected concepts in life. When these elements come together, they can form a strong foundation for personal development, success, and inner peace. Knowing ourselves, making a patient effort towards our goals, and occasionally being ready to take risks by stepping out of our comfort zone allows us to discover our true potential. Each of us discovers how to balance these elements in our own lives, and finding this balance can lead us to a more satisfying lifestyle. In this process that can be called an internal journey, it's important to appreciate the value of each step and be kind to ourselves. Remember that everyone progresses at their own pace, and the crucial thing is to enjoy and learn from this journey. When you have the courage to step out of your comfort zone, you'll realize that you're pushing the limits of your potential. You might discover talents you never thought of, reveal strengths you didn't know you had. Dealing with life's challenges, being open to new experiences, and expanding your limits can make you a stronger and more resilient individual. With time, as you step outside your comfort zone, you'll start to savor your achievements and take pride in yourself. Perhaps a small step will trigger significant change and create a positive domino effect in your life. When you have confidence in yourself, you can deal with challenges more effectively and progress toward your goals more closely. When you understand that the boundaries are only in your mind, your self-belief will increase, and you'll see that you can accomplish more in life. Maybe a goal that seems impossible today will turn into an opportunity waiting for you to achieve it tomorrow. Remember that with each step, you gain more confidence, experience, and wisdom than the previous one. The new perspectives gained and the strengths acquired in this process can not only change your interaction with yourself but also alter your interaction with the world around you. Perhaps you'll become an inspiration to those around you and encourage them to step out of their comfort zones. This could be a turning point where individual growth creates a collective impact. In conclusion, expanding your comfort zone and taking risks not only lead you to achieve your personal goals but also add more excitement and meaning to your life. As you bravely take steps, you'll discover your inner hero and embark on a journey toward your true potential. Now, gather your courage and take a step into the unknown. Trust yourself and explore the beauties of change.